deleted photos from Android phone and don't have backup. Now want to know how to recover deleted photos from Android phone without backup? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading application from the links in description and pinned comment to know how to recover permanently deleted photos from Android phone without backup and without rooting your device. Hey everyone, myself Akhil from WM Originals back with another data recovery tutorial, and today I wanna show you all how to recover data from Android phone without backup and root. But before we start with Android data recovery process, stop using your phone immediately, don't install new apps, don't take new photos or videos, and don't download new files. Why? Because new data can overwrite your deleted photos. First, check your recycle bin. If you have deleted your photos recently, it may be in recycle bin as it stores data for 30 days before permanently deleted them. If you find them, then select the photos and tap restore all. This will restore deleted photos, but if photos or videos are not found in recycle bin as you have emptied recycle bin, or maybe your photos were deleted more than 30 days back, well then in this situation you will require a professional Android data recovery software, and here I will recommend Stellar Data Recovery for Android. Stellar Data Recovery for Android is the best Android data recovery software that can recover deleted photos, videos, contacts, call history, and more. It can recover deleted data from Android phones without rooting and supports latest Android version 16 from brands like Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Realme, and more. Here are the best features of Stellar Android data recovery software. It can recover data from empty recently deleted folder, recover data from broken or physically damaged phone, recovers data from internal phone storage, also helps with WhatsApp data recovery from Google Drive, can preview files before saving them. The best part, it is 100% safe and secure. Wow, that's simply amazing. Let's give it a try, and for that, simply follow the links in description and pinned comment to visit Stellar Data Recovery for Android official website. Now click free download. It starts downloading, and once Stellar Data Recovery for Android free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, click on this. Now here we have Stellar Data Recovery for Android with all its features and capabilities. Here we can select what we want to recover. As at first in recovery Android data, we get option to recover deleted photos, videos, audio, messages, contacts, call history, and documents. Next, in recover WhatsApp data, we get options like recover WhatsApp chat, photos, videos, audios, documents, and stickers. We can also recover WhatsApp business data, same like WhatsApp data recovery. In last, we get option to recover Google Drive data. Now let's know how to use a Stellar Data Recovery for Android to recover deleted photos from Android phone without backup or root using a live example. Here I have a photos on my Samsung phone. Now let's delete all, and for that selected all of them. Next tap delete. Here it will ask for confirmation. Simply tap on move to recycle bin. This will move deleted photos to recycle bin. To check, simply tap on this and then tap recycle bin. See, here are the photos and videos that we had deleted. Now, if you want to restore them, simply select and then tap restore. This will restore deleted photos. But what if you delete photos from recycle bin as well? Let's do it, and for that tap on this and now tap empty. Now tap delete. This will empty recycle bin. Now let's see if we can recover deleted photos from empty recycle bin, and for that move to Stellar Data Recovery for Android. Here we can select what we want to recover and then click next. Now we will be required to connect our Android phone with computer via USB. Once connected, follow these steps to enable USB debugging. Open settings and then scroll down to about phone, tap to open it. Now tap software information. Here tap on build number 7 times to enable developer mode. See, now it shows developer mode is enabled. Now go back, see here we have new developer options. Tap to open it, scroll down to USB debugging and toggle on to enable USB debugging. Tap OK to enable it. Also in USB settings, select transferring files Android Auto option. Here it will ask for confirmation. Select this and then tap allow. See, our Android phone gets connected with computer and shows up here. Now click scan. Here it will install Stellar Data Recovery Android app on our phone and will ask for permission to access data on device. Tap allow to give permissions, and once all the permissions are done, Stellar Data Recovery for Android will start scanning Android phone for lost data. It may take some time to complete a scan, so do not disconnect or use Android phone while data is being recovered. Once a scan gets completed, here is the confirmation. Selected Android device scan completed successfully. Now click OK. Now here we can look for data that is available to be recovered. Here in photos, see all the photos that we had deleted is available. It also has older photos which were deleted in past. A preview for all the images is also available. Now we can select what data we want to recover, as we want to recover deleted photos and videos from Samsung Galaxy F14. So selected photos and videos. Now click save. Here we will be required to enter product key, which we can purchase by clicking on get it now. It opens up official website to purchase a plan. Here we can buy a plan as per our requirement. Once purchase completed, come back to Stellar Data Recovery for Android and then enter product key that you will get after completing purchase. Once Stellar Data Recovery for Android full version is activated, click OK. Now here we can select location where we want to save recovered photos and videos. Desktop is selected. Now to recover deleted photos and videos from Android phone, click OK. It starts to save recovered photos and videos. Once done, here we have confirmation. Selected data saved successfully. Click OK. Now this opens up the folder containing recovered data. Browse through to look for that. See, here in photos we have all the photos which were deleted permanently from Samsung Android phone. All of these are in their original quality. See the size of photos. Let's view them. Wow, there is no loss in photos quality as well. Great work by Stellar Data Recovery for Android. Same way you can also recover permanently deleted photos from any Android phone without backup or root. I will highly recommend you all to try out Stellar Data Recovery for Android. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and print comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Double Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I am testing Vidu, an AI video tool that turns text, images or even references into cinematic footage. And today I wanna show you all best free AI tool to summarize PDF files and chat with PDF document for free.